They do not fight for territory or for victory. They fight for life. Every ounce of gear is built to bring someone home. Today, we look at what the Air Force Pararescue Jumpers carry into battle. Air Force Pararescue Jumpers, the PJs, are the warriors who go where no one else can to pull the wounded from fire and bring them home alive. They're the most highly trained rescue specialists on Earth. Medics, divers, paratroopers, and fighters all in one. This is what the PJs carry into battle. The pararescue mission is simple and impossible. Find the wounded, reach them, treat them, extract them, no matter the cost. They work with every branch, jumping with Rangers, flying with SEALs, landing with the Marines. Their kit has to do it all: survive the drop, fight through contact, and keep someone breathing until they can reach home. PJs wear Crye or LBT plate carriers, carrying ceramic SAPI plates front and back. The rig holds magazines, medical gear, and radios. Everything they need to fight and to heal. Their Ops Corps helmets mount NVGs, comms headsets, and IR strobes for night rescues. Their uniforms are flame resistant, quick drying, and designed for air, water, and ground operations. They go light enough to move fast, but strong enough to walk through fire. The PJ carries the same rifle as the operator he rescues, often the M4A1 or the HK416, with red dot optics, a suppressor, an IR laser, and a weapon light. Each carries 6 or 7 30-round magazines balanced against the medical gear. Their weapon is not for hunting the enemy, it is for protecting the wounded and the team. When bullets fly, they hold their ground and make the impossible rescue happen. This is where the Pararescue Jumpers kit becomes unique. Their medical rucks weigh up to 80 pounds. They're stocked for trauma care in the field. Inside are tourniquets, pressure dressings, IV fluids, airways, needle decompression kits, blood expanders, and surgical tools. They carry drugs for pain and for shock. They carry splints and litter harnesses for hoists. Everything must fit into one pack, ready for combat, rain, or free fall. The plate carrier holds the combat essentials: ammo, IFAK, comms. The battle belt carries tools, knife, and the sidearm, usually a Glock 19. The medical ruck is in the lifeline, slung high and balanced for mobility. Pararescue jumpers often jump with more than 100 pounds of gear, landing, running, and fighting under that weight. Their endurance is as critical as their courage. In chaos, communication saves lives. PGs carry PRC-117s or PRC-163 radios, push-to-talk systems and headsets integrated into their helmets. They talk to aircraft, medevac pilots, ground forces, and command, all at once. Through the noise, they control the rescue, one voice linking the wounded to survival. Rescue does not end when the bleeding stops. PJs carry rescue litters, hoist straps, carabiners, and pulleys for extractions. They pack water filters, fire kits, MREs, and poncho liners for long missions. Each man can survive for days with what is on his back and can carry someone else's life while doing it. Pararescue jumpers are amphibious warriors. They jump into oceans, lakes, and rivers. They wear rebreathers, fins, and wet or dry suits as the mission requires. Their gear includes life preservers, flotation harnesses, and waterproof rifle bags. They are trained to swim for miles, drag casualties through the surf, and fight as they save. In the water, their burden becomes weightless, but never lighter. Amid the gear and the grit, PJs carry personal reminders: a photo, a coin, a bracelet for a fallen brother. But the real symbol is the Maroon Beret, earned through training that few can survive. Their creed says, "These things we do that others may live." No words have ever carried more weight. The Pararescue Jumpers kit is not about war. It's about mercy in the middle of chaos. Every bandage, every bullet, every step is a promise to those who fall. They run toward the fire to save the dying. They fight not to take life, but to preserve it. They're warriors, yes, but their mission is love under fire. They are PJs, and they live so others may live. I'm Dave Ross. This is Blue Steel Heroes. If you have liked this, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.